Okay, good day everyone. Stephen Dupree here. So what I'm going to be doing is just taking a look at the bridge position as well as the back bend position, and we're going to explore this to help it make more sense. Because a lot of people have a very linear approach to these two positions, so I'm going to actually explore the connection and biomechanics involved. So what's often overlooked is the movement in the pelvis as well as the movement in the shoulders, quite ironically, as they're the primary joints. When you've got your spine bending in between. Okay, I'm not going to delve into the details of that, it'll become self-evident as we go along. Okay, so with the bridge position, a lot of people just focus on getting, so you want feet in, you're going to drive the hips straight up, and, getting a nice line between the knee, hip, and shoulder without getting too much tension in the neck. The neck should be relaxed. Okay, so in this position, everyone always says, level off the pelvis, level off the pelvis, level off the pelvis, engage the core, squeeze with the glutes, keep everything nice and tight. And that's great. But there's so much more to this position that can be beneficial and explored. So a lot of people have the tendency to drop one hip. If you're not mindful of this, this is a problem. The dropping of a hip is in itself not a bad thing. You can intentionally do that and explore a whole range of functional range of motion, which is great. You just need to be mindful of what you're doing. Keep symmetry, keep your purpose clear, and then obviously keep symmetry. If you do have that purpose on one side, you're probably going to want to do it on the other side unless you're correcting a very specific problem. Okay, so coming up, you can intentionally drop one side of the pelvis. Actually sink down, sink up, rotate, maintain this nice square, even position, symmetry. Intentionally drop one hip, actually creating a nice rotation and torsion in the spine in a healthy way, done with control, developing neuromuscular control, body tension, function, healthy body tension. Okay, so it's different positions that the pelvis can play in. And then you've got these positions, which I'm sure you've seen before. It's the same thing, coming up into a bridge. Okay, doing your various rotations here. Do them off angular, so you can try and maintain the center. You can drive through. Feels great and activates a lot of muscles that would otherwise be neglected. Okay, so just do straight through and your normal variations here. Try rotating the pelvis. Okay, oh, nice. Okay, up into the shoulders. We'll do a separate video for that.